Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Ravinder Shan with Aguracy Farms. We are providing an on-demand delivery service platform from floor to plate. And I'll just go right into it. What we started about 3 years ago, and we saw this huge problem in terms of streamlining the supply chain for fresh fruits and vegetables. And that's where we started. You know, we heard in the morning it's 35 to 40% wastage. So that's what we started streamlining. We started setting up collection centers and cold chain right to the retail level. And now today we are one of the leading aggregators in North India. We have strong linkages with farmers. We have developed clusters and we have developed collection centers in each production hub. We are a profitable company. We are supplying to all of these major chains, plus we are supplying now to a lot of these hyper-local companies that are coming up as well. And then 3 months ago, we have launched our own retail solution for street vendors, which we believe is one of the largest markets in terms of retail. The solution for street vendors, it not only creates a last mile delivery chain, but it also augments the income for street vendors by 25 to 50%. Plus it provides clean, graded, sorted and packaged vegetables to the customers. So market is huge, more than $100 billion, growing at 10% in terms of value. Chandigarh, where we are based, is about 5 crores per day market. But still, the retail market is less than 5%. And in Chandigarh itself, the street vendor market is more than 60%. But street vendors, it's completely fragmented. There's no standardized delivery model. Quality is not consistent. Variety is very limited. Weight and price variations are there. And it's inefficient and ineffective. They have to look for customers. And most of the places, it's also illegal. You can't sell in streets. So our solution, we've created a standardized cart. It's a temperature-controlled, GPS-enabled, battery-run cart, which we are providing to street vendors, coupled with our software, which is a mobile app where customers can come in, log on to it, locate the cart in real time, or schedule it to visit them on fixed days, Tuesdays to 11 a.m., Thursdays 12 a.m., 12 p.m., they can do that. Plus, all vegetables are barcoded, packaged, so that we know what we are selling to the street vendor. All our street vendors are our resellers. Our business model focuses on 4 key things. We want to reduce the wastage. So we've brought down the wastage from 30 to 40% to less than 10% in our model with the last mile cold chain. We have provided increased income to street vendors. We provide customer convenience, and our delivery costs are less than 20 rupees per customer. And all these street vendors work as our resellers. So they buy from us, and then they provide to the customers. We manage the customer relationships. We have assembled a team. I'm one of the founders. I have another one. Then we have 3 advisors. Manjeet Sarang, who is with Punjab Food and Supplies. Dr. Ashwini Sharma, retired from Horticulture Department. And Puneet Gupta, who is with Kentris. And this is our sales forecast. We are going to launch 150 plus Tazi Express. That's what we call them in Chandigarh Tri-City in the next 4 to 5 months. Then we are going to go into multi-city mode. We are hoping for sales of 15 lakhs per day in 2016-17, and then we'll look at pan-India operations. We are looking at debt funding for Tazi Express. We are talking to a couple of financial institutions to do that. And then for the equity funding, which will be mainly for our back-end and for technology development.
It's an interesting model, right? I mean, the only question which I'm worried about is how do you really scale up from one city to other? Because it seems that every city would have its own nuances. And if you have to scale up and start everything from square one, I think it's challenging.
Right. So there are 2 sides to scale up. One is the distribution side, which is the street vendor model. So there are street vending associations. And then the back end, there is already aggregation model in place. There are a lot of aggregators like us, which supply to chains, who are looking at ways to enhance their consumption. We've been talking to them. We are developing a franchise model for them, where they can become our franchises for the distribution model.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.